Hello there. How are you today? Oh, it looks like your cables... Oh, careful. Oh, hello. Oh dear. These silly old machines have got you in a right pickle. Cord management is critical in a professional setting, and some models suffer from excessive cable tangling, leading to a lot of wasted time and frustration. That looks like it's going to be quite a job to unpick that mess. Would you like a moment to sort things out? That's even worse than before. Can you help him? Oh, why are you on your own? Oh no. Ah, thank goodness you're here. Could you help get this mess sorted out? That's much better. Kärcher's cable rewinder prevents tangling, reduces downtime, and enhances productivity. Or with battery power, eliminate cables entirely for a quick, efficient experience. Tired of tangles? There's Kärcher for that.